वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर चेयरमैन सर, as the other honorable members have pointed out, this bill has had a very checkered history. I do not think in the history of parliament after this country became independent any bill has suffered the duress of circumstances so badly as this bill has suffered. But all the same, it does indicate the confused thinking of the government of India. Really, how to explain the situation? This bill has been introduced again in the 4th Lok Sabha. As the Honorable Member Professor D.C. Sharma pointed out, this bill has assumed really a very peculiar character because somehow or other neither the government nor the persons have been able to explain fully as to what exactly they want to do with the patents in this country. This bill was also introduced in the 3rd Lok Sabha, but it could not be passed. It was always said that it was due to lack of time which prohibited this bill to be passed. The life of one Lok Sabha is 5 years. I am surprised that in the life of the 2nd Lok Sabha it was not passed. In the life of the 3rd Lok Sabha it was not passed, and it has now come in the 4th Lok Sabha. Let us really expect that this bill will see a better fate now. It is not that there was any lack of material. As the honorable member who just spoke before me pointed out, many committees were appointed. First of all, a committee was appointed by the Government of India to go into the entire law of patents. A patents enquiry committee was appointed which went into the entire details of patents system and formulated proposals based on UK pattern. That was introduced in December 2003, but it lapsed. I do not think that the government can convince this country or outside that this piece of proposed legislation lapsed because of lack of time. We are not so innocent as all that we could not find time for an important law when we require this law to be passed or to be given a shape because of the requirements of rapid technological developments in the country. Does it create a good impression? The whole world has always been talking about our patents. In the last 12 years, we have not been able to do anything. The government has not come forward with its mind made up, and it is really a great tragedy that this bill is one of the many instances of how much confusion there is in the thinking of the government vis-a-vis modern requirements of economic development. This is only one instance. There are many others. But this instance is a clear example of how much confusion there is in the government thinking about the basic requirements of industrial growth and economic growth, which can compensate for and which can really keep its pace with the economic development in other countries. I will not go beyond this, but I would certainly say that I do not believe that destiny only has had its hand in restraining this bill in one form or the other. Now, this bill has come before the House. The recommendation is that the period of patents should be reduced from 16 years to 14 years in the case of drugs and chemicals and 10 years in the case of others. When we are discussing this matter, we should realize and accept our own limitations. I may just give one instance of the Pimpri factory, which is a public sector undertaking. This factory has invented two drugs. Many countries are wanting the patent and also wanting to manufacture the drug. On the other hand, we have not been able to manufacture this drug yet and put it in the market. For in practice, we have a very outdated system of marketing. Our distribution system is not up to date. In other countries, for instance, in a country like Japan or America, they spend millions of dollars on research, and the moment the research is completed, they apply every strength and tap all their resources into the drive to put that commodity in the market as soon as the investigation is found to be fruitful. But they also have a capacity to withdraw the drug overnight or within a week or a fortnight in case it is found that the drug has not succeeded. I think it was an original product of Germany and it was given as a tranquilizer to women, especially convalescent and pregnant women. It was noticed that this drug had created some adverse effects on pregnant women, and when the babies were born, they were found to be deformed. Immediately, the drug controller in the USA issued a notification that that drug should be withdrawn from the market, and I think that within a week or a fortnight this drug was withdrawn. So far, there were only 2 or 3 exceptional cases. Stop.
दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।